Fischer FAZ2, the power anchor for highest demands. Applications in concrete, the perfect solution in cracked and non-cracked concrete. In addition to the use of standard drills, the new ETA assessment document also covers the use of hollow drills and diamond drills. The FAZ2 is suitable for pre-positioned push-through and standoff installations for the most flexible usage. The tried and trusted expansion clip ensures stability and highest load-bearing capacities. The new cap nut gives the option for a more aesthetic finish. The shorter bolt makes considerably shorter drill hole depths possible for a significantly faster installation. The variable embedment depths enable the most accurate adaptation of the loads, flexible, efficient, time-saving. New, an extended range of application with experts report for use in concrete C12, 15 and C80, 95. Brand new, the FAZ2 M6, the first bolt anchor worldwide with drill hole diameter 6 mm and ETA option 1. Maximum load with maximum embedment depth for the FAZ2 with diameter 10. The perfect solution for fixings of railings, facade substructures, tension anchors in timber construction, pipe routes, cable trays and much more. The Fischer FAZ2. This is how versatile power can be.